Hi everybody. Everybody is a scorer in the shadow, but not everybody is a high scorer or a super high scorer. Can I find my name within one street of the capital of the district of my birthplace? Yes, I am a high scorer. The family name, of course. Example, my name is Tori, the street is Rectory, so I am in that street. Next question, does there a Xenos exist? Generated by the airway from Goetheanum, Donau, Switzerland, crossing my street's name at a crossroad, and then elongated to the outer border of my home district. Built by highway, railroad, water channel. It must be a perfect Xenos. Yes, I'm a super high scorer. Crossed objects in between city borders are special prohibitions. Hurting them makes you a 0-pointer. Barracks crossed, soldier, no point. Jailhouse crossed, in jail, no point. They will try to avoid you to do that.